A leak stop valve can automatically stop the inlet water from entering the water system when it detects a leak, effectively protecting your home from water damage. The valve is highly susceptible to water, and when the leak stop pad inside the valve absorbs water and expands, it will need to be replaced every time it contacts water to allow the water system to function properly. Please follow the instructions in the video when replacing the leak stop pad. Before we begin, please shut off the water inlet to the system. Closed type valve, new version. Step 1. Insert a slotted head screwdriver at a 30-degree angle to the groove on either side of the valve to pry open the closure. Step 2. Remove the valve cover. Remove the spare leak stop pad inside the closure and remove the pad holder. Step 3. Dispose of the expanded pad and ensure the closure and the surrounding area of the valve closure is completely dry. Replace the pad and insert the holder back in place. Step 4. Snap the valve cover back in place. Turn on the water inlet to the system. Closed type valve, old version. Step 1. Unscrew the valve cover using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 2. Twist the valve cover counterclockwise to open the valve. Step 3. Dispose of the expanded pad and ensure the valve closure and the surrounding area of the valve is completely dry. Replace the pad and reinstall the cover. Lock the cover in place by turning clockwise. Step 4. Reinstall the screw to secure the valve. Turn on the water inlet to the system. Open type valve, new version. Step 1. Open the pad cover, take out, and dispose of the expanded pad. Step 2. Ensure the leak stop valve and the surrounding area are completely dry. Insert a new pad and close the cover. Step 3. Turn on the water inlet to the system.